So I got my package, Lady E. So I already did a little cut safely so that way it's all intact. Whoa, that is cool. Divine Sounds Crystals. Love the packaging. Arrived safe and sound. Also put some background music too. The cards. I save these so that way I know which stone goes to, or which crystal goes to which one. Lady E, customized sound baths practitioners, travels to you, private crystal sales. So that's one of her cards, Divine Sounds. And then it says, greetings, Oscar, sending you love for the holidays, and may these beautiful and powerful crystals bring you light, strength, and peace and beyond. Thank you so much for being there for me and supporting this dream until we meet again, Lady E. Definitely until we meet again. And then these are for each stone or crystal. Rainbow fluorite, balance and stabilize. Flow with fluorite. Renew and rejuve with a mint-like freshness. See behind illusion, the stone of aptitude and discernment. Find your balance and align the heart to the head. Activate universal energies. Pisces and Capricorn. That's me, Capricorn. Pair with black onyx. I need one of those too, black onyx. And then this one's for Golden Healer Quartz, Universal Life Force, Dimensional Healing, Enhance Joint Harmony, and align all chakras. Connect with the spiritual realms and access high Christ consciousness, information, divine will. Be empowered while staying controlled. Don't take it personal. Heal family relationships. A master crystal. And then clear quartz, master healer. The stone of power quartz is said to bring in the energies of the stars into the soul, amplify and enhance. This stone produces a force field of healing negative ions while clearing the atmosphere of positive ions. Cancel out the negativity, radiation, or radioactivity. Co-create with the universe. Air, water, fire vibrates to the number 4. Connect with the crown chakra. Malachite, protection, love yourself, nurture yourself. Clear and release this mineral, copper-based, stimulates your intuitive reasoning, moving your energy forward in this life. Equalize and balance, clarify your emotions. This one says it's also for Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn, the stone of transformation. And then take with you on your travels, number 9. Red jasper. This stone was one of my favorites. Earth, blood, justice. Powerful masculine energies. Shamans and healers back in ancient civilizations would wear jasper, learn the progress and eliminate aspects of if I could pronounce that, degression. Open the root chakra. Jasper is a supreme nurturer. Allow this stone to support you and sustain you during stressful times. Feel its tranquility and wholeness. This one is also for Taurus as well. Number 6, the treasurer. All right, let's see. My beauties. Oh, this is so cool. That came lit, so that's with the clear. That one's my clear crystal. Or the rainbow fluorite balance stabilizer. That one's cool. I don't even want to take it out. It came with a little light. So I'm gonna leave that. And this was, oh yes, this. That one's to light up the crystals. Ooh. Palo Santo, be the light. Palo Santo. Ooh. That one is beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna put these here. What are these little boxes? Oh, to put the stones on there. So these are like little bases for the stones, for the crystals. Oh, there's another one too. Come on. Really good packaging, by the way. Beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I took it out earlier. That is beautiful. Matches, Divinesoundcrystals, and beyond. This is cool. Matches. Oops. Definitely keeping that with me. Wow. That is beautiful. This one has like different hues. It's green. And then when you put in the light, it gives like an emerald color. Beautiful. I like this base. This is pretty cool. The boxing, amazing. Amazing. Thank you for supporting my small business. You're very welcome. Of course, this is amazing packaging. Well, thank you for my little collection. I get to add it to my collection that I have. Thank you. I love it, love it, love it.